Okay, apparently we're live. Guys, DJ Feel's on his way. So my computer's freezing. This isn't good. Okay, so it says we're live. That's a good thing. He's just sorting some stuff out on his computer. Why is the audio so bad? Sorry, I apologize for the audio, guys. Can I close this? Okay, we've got 6 watching now. Guys, one sec, we're gonna get Phil on here. What is he doing again? A second, let me invite him again. He's trying to sort it out on his end, but just been having some technical difficulties here. Just bear with us a few minutes. You guys can start saying stuff in the chat if you want. We'll answer it in a sec. All right, so while we're waiting, let me pop out the live chat here so that I can see what you guys are saying. Okay, someone said, lol, 6 minutes late. Yeah, we're having some issues with the stream, guys. So that's the reason for being a little late. Also, I didn't plan to stream tonight with Phil. It was just like, yo, I'm free. Do you wanna stream? Nine watching now. Okay. So, guess we can start talking while wait for Phil to join. What can we talk about? There's 7 of you guys, so just okay, why is the chat dead? Is this the right chat? You're right, Hex Tactics. So guys, just bear with us. Phil's trying to sort everything out on his end because he's never done Hangouts before. This is my 2nd time doing Google Hangouts, so we're still trying to figure everything out. But you guys can start getting your questions in, and we'll answer them as soon as Phil joins in. I can start answering some questions if you guys want. So we're gonna stream on my channel tonight, and then maybe do his channel sometime this week, if not next week. So can I jailbreak ISO 12.5.6? Maybe. Who knows? But maybe next year, if there ever will be that version. Yes, you can jailbreak that. I'm gonna create some applications on my computer because if I don't, then we're gonna have some issues. Because I usually try to stream with OBS, but it never works out. Like the frame rate is terrible. Guys, how's the audio? Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? ETA, yes, ETA. Where is he off to? Where's he gone? Okay. We got 11 live viewers. Just guys, for all of you who've just joined, Phil is on his way. He's just trying to sort everything out on his end. Audio's a bit bad. Yes, we're streaming via Google Hangouts, so that's probably the explanation for that. I want to say your videos are awesome. Sad that you have so less subs. Well, I'm happy with the subs I have. I'm growing. It'd be cool to have more though. That would be cool. Okay. Good news is YouTube sent out the notification this time. I tried going live like 3 or 4 times already tonight, but the notification did not go out to you guys, which is just weird. YouTube notifications are absolutely terrible. They're absolutely shocking. So, why are my AirPods just crackling? The audio is crackling in my AirPods. It's weird. I don't understand what that means. Where are all the mods, guys? What are you here already or? Come on. Taking a while. He's taking his time. I think he's trying to stream on his channel at the same time. That's the problem. I could do Google Hangouts from now. No, actually, no, because the audio is terrible. I could have actually brought my mic downstairs. That would have been a good idea. You guys want me to go and get my mic? Actually, no. On second thought, I can't because I don't even have the cable. Oh. What are you guys saying? Nobody's saying anything. This is weird. There's like 10 viewers and then there's nobody in the chat. Like, Cool Star just tweeted out. What did he tweet? Cool Star tweeted that the freezing issues aren't Electra. Okay, here we go. Phil's on.
Hey, what's up?
Tweeted out. What did he tweet? Cool Star tweeted that the freezing issues aren't Electra. Okay, here we go. Phil's on.
Hey, what's up?
I can hear an echo.
Cool Star tweeted that the freezing issues aren't Electra. Okay, here we go.
So, I think if you mute the audio on your end for the live stream.
Okay, I think I fixed it.
Okay, yeah, it's fixed. It's good. Okay, someone's just said something in the chat here. Do you have the chat on your end open?
No. Yeah, I need to do that. Okay.
Wait, what? Someone in the chat just asked, how do you make a tweet go back to normal? What do you mean? You can uninstall it and reinstall it. That's easy. Right now we've got 9 live viewers.
Okay. So how do I get the chat? Just go on your channel.
Yeah, just go into the live on my channel and you can click these 3 dots on the chat window and you can do pop out chat. Okay, we finally have one of the mods in here. Nick Hill, welcome.
Oh yeah, pop out chat. Here we go. Awesome. So who are your mods?
Yeah, there's one that's on here right now. He's Nick Hill, Hair Para. They just show up with blue text. Those are the mods. Actually, I need to make you a mod. If you say something in the chat, I can make you a mod right now. Any tweak to install cracked apps? Well, if your intentions are to install it so then you can get stuff that you're meant to pay money for free, then that's illegal. But you can use Tweakbox if you want to get like hacked apps or cracked apps, or whatever you want to call them. As long as you don't get like free money in the app.
Okay, sorry, just sending a message.
Chat's a bit slow. Tutu app. Yeah, you can also use Tutu app. But as I just said, don't get, like, for example, Clash of Clans, don't get free gems, like a hack that gives you free gems and stuff, because that's illegal. You can get into trouble for that.
I think like all those side-loaded apps have kind of died now. Jailbreaking's back.
Yeah, true. Also, some problems with those cracked apps is that you actually don't know if the developer tweaked it and made it bad in a way, like they can access your camera and stuff when you don't know you don't know anything about that. Do you know the repo for Gravity? Yes, I do. Let me get it up right now.
That's the thing with Tweakbox. I do like Tweakbox, but obviously they put adverts on all of their apps to make revenue to run their services. I get that. But yeah, like you say, you don't really know what they kind of put in the code and stuff. Yeah. Because I think the
ads on Tweakbox are a bit over the top.
I mean,
you open Tweakbox and you can't use it until you close the ad, and sometimes you end up clicking on it by accident.
Yeah, because I always use the Electra just because it's easier to do that than Impactor. And obviously, like whenever I click Jailbreak, you always end up clicking the ad, and then you have to come off it and go back.
Yeah. Okay, so to answer your question, Nick Hill, the repo for Gravity, which I'll type into the chat, it's going to be easier. So are the iPhones running electric jailbreak? Mine just resprings periodically, maybe slightly accelerated battery. Well, my battery is fine. Also, I haven't really gotten any freezing. Don't know about you.
I've kind of had ups and downs with mine, really. I think part of the problem with mine is that my iPhone is on 11.0.3, which isn't kind of as stable as 11.1.2.
Yeah, don't you have Blob?
Yeah, it's had some kind of overheating issues and stuff, but I just kind of live with it. It's not too bad. I get it, probably it freezes like once a day maybe, and I just restart it.
Yeah, mine restarted twice yesterday, and I'm trying a new tweak from Spark, and it's actually very cool. Basically, you get the notifications on here. Like when you have a notification, there's kind of like a pulse effect on the top corner, and that has actually had some bugs for now, where it would just randomly respring. It would make like a machine gun noise or something and just respring randomly. Got to tell them that. But
did you see like do you go through Reddit and have a look at the stuff on the
Sometimes, yeah. I got banned from Reddit twice actually.
Because there was something
I shared a link to my video twice, and they were like, "No, that's considered self promotion." And I was trying to help someone. Someone was like the Snapchat hack. No, not the Snapchat hack. The Snapchat black camera issue. I linked my video, and they were like, "You're banned on Reddit for 10 days because of this."
I like the subreddit, but I'm kind of new to Reddit, so maybe I don't know how it works properly.
Same.
But I think like the mods that are on there just kind of
terrible.
They just obviously just have so much power, and they know they have so much power, and they just kind of, I don't know, it's kind of weird, really.
Yeah. I mean, I wonder why developers can actually share their tweak on there, and that's not considered self-promotion. But I share a video to help someone, and then that's considered self-promotion, and I get banned for 10 days. Yeah,
exactly. You put work into a video, you post a video, like, because I've had that as well. I've put videos on there, and they just kind of get removed. It's not like you're just spamming every single video you make, you know.
Yeah. Someone's saying my Bluetooth toggle in settings has been loading for 20 minutes for some odd reason. What do you mean the Bluetooth? Why don't you just restart your phone or respring? That should fix it, I think. We got 11 live viewers. How long have you been doing YouTube for?
Well, I mean, I think I created my account in like 2010. I've been jailbreaking since iOS 6, I think.
That's fine.
So I did a lot of videos about 3 or 4 years ago, and then I didn't have a jailbreak for a very long time. I've only started jailbreaking again recently with iOS 11.
Yeah.
Because I didn't have a jailbreak. I was just kind of doing sideloading videos, which was kind of replacing jailbreaking until the iOS 11 jailbreak came out.
Yeah, because for a long time, like, jailbreaking seemed to be dead. Some people were just telling me, like, don't even bother because jailbreaking is dead. And then I started making videos on iOS 11 jailbreak, and all of a sudden everybody watches me. I'm like, okay. Good points on the Reddit mods. Yeah, they need new mods. Me and Phil should be mods on there.
They got new mods recently, I think, and I think I saw a post on there actually that was kind of criticizing their new mods, but I don't know too much really.
Yeah, there's a jailbreak Discord that's quite good. The mods on there are decent. Like they made a Discord server just that's basically related to the subreddit of jailbreaking, and it's just like a Discord server, and you can go on there if you have any issues or stuff.
Do you feel like at the moment that I think there was like an initial like rush for the jailbreak, but it's kind of dying down a little bit now. I think everyone's kind of jailbroken and they've kind of got the tweaks they wanted, and it's just kind of dying down a little bit now.
Yeah, I think what's going to revive it is when other people find the rest of the exploits for iOS 11.2.x, and then the jailbreak for that comes out. I think that's going to revive the scene again.
Yeah, I was reading something. I think a lot of people are still waiting for Sarek to update it.
We're probably going to be here waiting for a while, I think.
See, this is what I find strange, that he kind of makes it sound like it's nearly ready, and then it will just be like 2 months, and you won't get anything, and everyone's like, "What the hell? What's going on?" But he just keeps so quiet about it, which is I don't think it's good, really. But
yeah. Yeah, because he said in December, oh, the jailbreak is almost ready, and then all of a sudden we're in March and nothing yet. I mean, the thing I like about Coolstar is that every time he updated something, he tweeted about it. He's not tweeting as much about it now because of all the hate he got.
So that's exactly this. Where do you draw the line? Obviously, he's getting so much hate for his tweets and everything, where people are saying when's it going to be released. And he had that whole thing about when the IPA got leaked. But obviously, you don't want to go down the route that Sarek has, where you don't know anything at all until one day it just comes out. So.
Someone said, I've been jailbreaking since iOS 7. Jailbreaking will never die. There will always be vulnerabilities in iOS. It's just a matter of finding them. Yeah, at the end of the day, iOS is made by humans. So humans aren't perfect. There will always be a flaw in iOS. I think jailbreaking will exist until Apple maybe miraculously lets you jailbreak or customize your phone more than you can now. Someone's from Austria.
So I think a lot of the developers are waiting for the full Sarek jailbreak before they bring their tweaks out as well. I think a lot of the developers don't really like Coolstar, so.
Yeah, I mean, I like what Coolstar did. Like, he asked Sarek if he could help with the jailbreak because he knew how to fix it and stuff and make it work on iOS 11. And Sarek was just like, no. And then Coolstar he just decided to do it by himself, and he got a few other developers involved and stuff. And if it weren't for Coolstar, we probably nobody would be expecting the jailbreak anymore. People would have updated and given up already.
Yeah, I probably would have done. I probably would have just stopped waiting.
Yeah. Coolstar kind of like brought jailbreaking back to life, basically.
I mean, I'm really impressed with how he managed to do that. I think I didn't really expect him to get this far with it. I thought it might be okay, and he might, when we used to have to manually install all the tweaks, I kind of thought that was going to be it. I didn't realize he was going to kind of get this far. But on the same time, I can't really blame Sarek because the way Coolstar is on Twitter sometimes, I think he does come across not that great, really. He's kind of a crybaby sometimes.
Yeah.
So I can see why he wouldn't want to work with him.
Yeah. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this super cool tweak. Can you see that? That happens when you have notifications. It's a new tweak I'm testing, which is cool. I'm not sure when the dev is going to release it, but it's based on like a concept that was on Reddit a few weeks ago, I think.
That concept was awesome because it was like lots of different colors around the notch. I think I did see that.
Oh, yeah, that was another one. Yeah, there were 3 or 4 different concepts for how to implement that. Some people were saying it could have been just red dots underneath the notch on the iPhone 10 and stuff. I wonder if this tweak will actually work on older devices. I don't think so. That tweak is cool. Yeah. Think about it. How many features in iOS over the years have been implemented by Apple from jailbreaking? Yeah, true.
Hey, I'll tell you a cool story. When I was jailbreaking, I'm trying to think. I think it was iOS 7. I had a tweak where you like swipe up from the bottom to close the app, and that was like the main. I think it was called Auxo.
Activator. You can do it with Activator.
Yeah, I think I used one. I think it was called Auxo. I can't remember. But I did a video actually on my channel recently, which was like the top 10 things Apple stole from a jailbreak community.
Yeah,
I think
I haven't watched that yet.
If you kind of look back on it, it's crazy how many things actually Apple have stolen.
Yeah.
And a lot of the developers as well, are now Apple employees as well.
Yeah. I wonder how many Apple employees actually jailbreak though. Like how many people who work at the Apple store secretly jailbreak their devices?
I bet they're allowed to, because they'll have experiment versions of software that obviously isn't available for the public and stuff.
Yeah. What's the name of that tweak? Well, I'm not sure. The name doesn't really make sense. I think he just named it, but it's not out. You guys can't try it yet. At least I don't think so.
He did. I think he did post something on
HyperIon.
Yeah.
It's called HyperIon. It might be available now. I'm not sure because I'm not allowed to share the dev file. Last time I did, I got in trouble with the same developer. Okay, another mod is in here. Yeah, they stole the CC for sure. Yeah, they did steal the control center, I think, or at least took some ideas from it. I bet people will have jailbroken devices. We all know that not all Apple employees use Apple phones, some use Samsung phones. Yeah, true. I remember I went to try the Apple Watch a few years ago when it first came out at the Apple store, and the lady that let me try the Apple Watch on, she had like a Samsung Galaxy something. So yeah, my father, Tim Cook, CEO of Apple. Sure.
Don't forget a lot of the things they've stolen from Android as well.
Oh yeah, true. Also, Android's pretty much stolen everything Apple has. Any real CC alternatives for iOS 11? Real CC does work on iOS 11. It's made for iOS 11, guys. It's just the repo's a pirate repo, unfortunately. So you have to add it, download that tweak, and delete the repo. You don't have to say that twice, Carl. You've told us yesterday you got an iPhone. Oh, you got an iPhone SE on 10.3.3. Good jailbreak that.
I don't know. Is there? I saw you jailbreak. You got an iPhone 5, haven't you? What?
Yeah, it's here. Yeah, basically, I found this. I asked on the jailbreak Discord if it. No, actually, I saw that someone posted that you could actually downgrade to iOS 8.4.1 from 10.3.3. So I did it, and then I also managed to dual boot iOS 6, and I have iOS 8.4 and iOS 6 on the same device.
So, because I think a lot of the people, obviously, with new apps coming out where you have to be on iOS 11, I think I did see a tweak that kind of spoofs your iOS version, but obviously where a lot of people are on older versions for jailbreaks, I'm not sure that's going to be good in the long run.
I think how this how I was able to downgrade was basically you spoof your iOS version to iOS 6.0 or something, and then Apple thinks that you haven't updated to iOS 8 because I think you need to update to iOS 8 and then iOS 10.3.3. So I managed to do that, and that's how I think the workaround worked. It took me a few tries. I had to restore a few times, but I managed to get it working in the end. Getting battery draining issues though. With real CC. I'm not getting any battery drainage issues with that. What phone are you filming this on the camera? It looks bad. Well, I'm not filming it on a phone. I'm using my Max webcam. I know the person who did that video in the United Kingdom. What video? Yeah, wait, you know Phil. Everybody knows Phil in the Jailbreak community.
Oh, I don't know.
How do I go live on YouTube? You can download the YouTube app on your phone, and then you just go. Just tap the camera and just tap go live. You need to enable live streaming though first from the web browser.
I think the community's really come together though since the 11 Jailbreak came out, because my channel certainly like gets a lot more comments and likes and everything from people. So it's nice to see everyone helping each other out to get tweaks working, and that kind of thing. And
then there's the odd person that asks when ETA jailbreak iOS 12 and stuff. and they just go on for an hour about when's the next jailbreak out. And they ask us YouTubers, and we don't know a thing about it because we're just reporting on what we see.
I don't know, it kind of makes me sad that it feels like it's gonna eventually die, because I mean, you know, before jailbreaking used to be like live signed versions, so when a jailbreak came out, people could just downgrade or go to certain software version and jailbreak, whereas now you just kind of have to wait for months on a particular one. Like because I've got another iPhone on iOS 11.1.2, and before the jailbreak came out, I remember everyone was saying like, you know, there might be a jailbreak, stay on that version, and I was just kind of staying on that version for months, hoping that it kind of did get jailbroken, and it did in the end, luckily. But most people just would have thought, okay, screw this, I'm just going to update, I can't be bothered.
Yeah, I was literally about to update my phone, and then the jailbreak came out. I was like, okay, I'm not upgrading. And at that time, I was actually at 500 subscribers, less than 500 subscribers, which is crazy.
I think that's when I found your channel, actually. I think I must have been looking was like doing research for tweaks, and I think I found your channel when you had around 500 or 600.
All right.
And then you kind of, I saw, yeah, because you got to 1,000, then you got to 2,000. So I think I've been watching for a little while.
Yeah, because I remember at the start of this year, I set the goal to hit 1,000 subscribers by June, and then all of a sudden, in less than a month, I get to 1,000 just by making jailbreak videos, which is crazy. What's the guy in this live YouTube channel name? Also, so I can subscribe to him. He's DJFeelOfficial. It's in the title of this video. I can link your channel in the description. One sec.
I was talking to one of my friends actually, and I don't understand why Apple was so against jailbreaking, because I used a Samsung for a while recently, and you have like a store with themes and stuff you can buy. And I was thinking, if there was some sort of like store that Apple could control on iOS for like pro users or heavy users, where you can buy tweaks and buy themes, then surely that would make more people use iOS rather than Android. I don't understand.
Yeah, I was thinking like they could implement an advanced mode in iOS. I've been pitching this to Apple for a while. They're making like it's always been in my iOS wish list. Like they could just make, maybe it's exclusive to developers, and you can still kind of like what Jailbreak would do, but like within stock iOS. Like it wouldn't be available to everybody. It would just be available to the people who actually want to.
So there's a question here from Ray, and I'm just checking what the name of it is. But I don't know if you can see this. I'll put this up to the camera.
I can see.
I have this tweak. Well, I guess it's an app that shows you like all of the. Oh, hang on, my screen's gone. That shows you all of like the system memory and CPU usage and all that kind of stuff.
All right, that's cool.
So I think that's what he's asking for. Let me find the name of it, and I can share that with you guys.
Yeah. The Apple Pro says I watch both of you guys, and so does Ray. What are your thoughts on I Crack Your iDevice? Do you know him?
Okay, so something weird happened to his channel, right?
I know. Yeah, I used to watch him when Tanner was on there, and then all of a sudden, he's inactive for 8 months or however long it was, and then all of a sudden the voice is different and everything. I actually thought he died or something. He didn't say anything.
Yeah, because I used to watch that channel all the time, like a few years ago, and then I didn't realize kind of what happened to the channel because there was. I think he tried to sell the channel or something. There were some weird videos on there, and then obviously it's a different guy that does it now. So,
and those videos aren't as good as they used to be. Like, there's a lot better content out there now.
To be fair, I think a lot of the stuff he used to do was kind of clickbait because it would always be like jailbreak update, and then it would be like, okay, we're still waiting for the
jailbreak release update. And people would think it was an actual jailbreak release. Used to watch him, but it's get boring to watch. Yeah, I think he's trying to be professional, but not really. I like his editing. I think that's pretty good.
Whoever the guy who does it now is pretty good. Like the editing and the camera work and stuff is pretty good.
Yeah. But I remember when he used to when Tanner was on the channel, that he threw a watermelon with an iPhone inside it off a cliff. I remember that.
I guess.
Have you watched my videos at all, Ben?
I guess everything.
Carl, I don't know if you. I haven't seen any of your videos yet. I don't think you've uploaded any.
If anyone was wondering, I've just found the tweak. It's called Cocoa Top, which shows you that all those system processes and stuff. There's like a screenshot there.
Is it a tweak or is it an app?
Well, it's on Cydia, but it's an app that's on your home screen.
I'll add that to my list of tweaks to feature.
Yeah, it's kind of slow at the moment of tweets coming out. I mean, I've got a few I'm going to do another top 10 video on, but there's not a huge amount at the moment.
What was it called again? Cacao?
Sorry, I'm going to get this back up. I don't know if this is going to be backwards, but that's what it's called.
Yeah, Cocoa Top. All right. Okay, the chat is going quick fire here. I mean, the jailbreak community at first is always a drama place because there's always been trying to fake these jailbreak and scams, but once they're a stable jailbreak, it gets better and less drama. Yeah, I mean, I see this every day on Twitter. There's like some Yalu jailbreak page. It's not the one where the actual good one that gives you tutorials and stuff. There's another one that said, the other day I saw iOS 11.2.6 jailbreak released. And like there was a link to a fake tool.
Yeah, there's so much clickbait at the moment.
Everywhere. How long have you been jailbreaking, DJ? Question for you.
I've been jailbreaking since I got my iPhone 5, which was on iOS 6, so about 5 years.
So how many phones have you got at the moment that are jailbroken?
I've got, so my main phone that I use every day is my iPhone 8, which is on 11.0.3, and I've got an iPhone 6 Plus, which is on 11.1.2. That's all I've got at the moment.
Okay. I only have one on iOS 11, so I've got to be careful when I install tweaks that I don't get in it.
Yeah, because I had a Samsung S8 that I had for a while, and then I just sold that and bought the iPhone. But I have the spare iPhone 6 that I was doing all that Topanga and all that stuff on, and that just turned out to be an absolute nightmare to try and get rid of. I don't know if you used that, but that was a nightmare.
Use what? Sorry.
The Topanga jailbreak. That was.
Oh yeah. I actually stupidly used the the version that it was an IPA version, so I didn't package it myself in Xcode or whatever. So it was even harder to remove.
What was the other one I used? Oh, what was the one before that?
LibreIOS or whatever.
Whichever one it was, because my iPhone 6, I still have problems with it now where all the icons are like square. What was that one?
Oh yeah, no, I know how to fix that. Was it Houdini or?
Oh yeah, it was Houdini.
You just have to just reinstall that and then like apply it and then remove it.
Yeah, I tried that so many times I couldn't get it to work, so I just gave up in the end.
Yeah, I managed to.
Tonga, yeah, maybe it was that. I can't even remember what it's called now.
Tonga was pretty good.
So
apparently Tonga's being updated for iOS 11.2 now. So you'll be able to get a semi-jailbreak on iOS 11.2.
So here's something I read. Everyone's saying that apparently Saurik is working with this legendary team of jailbreak developers, which is what everyone's saying.
Legendary.
And everyone someone said apparently it's going to come out. Well, when his jailbreak comes out, it'll support 11.2 and 11.2.1, apparently, because of the new exploit, which will be cool. Well, that'll be awesome, because I think a lot of people will be able to jailbreak then. But because I think, was it POSIX Ninja, or whatever his name is?
Yeah.
Because he said he's not working with him, but he's been testing it, I think, but I don't know.
I'm going to review, is the iPod 6 Gen still buying 2018? Maybe iPhone SE still worthy buying? Yeah, I did that. They're my two most watched videos on the channel. The first one is the iPhone 5C still worth it in, what was it, 2016? And then I've got one on the iPhone 5 in 2017. So those do get a lot of views, Carl. If you do one of those and you do it well edited and stuff, may get views. But yeah, install apps to get Cydia. They do that for the money. What do you mean?
Okay.
There's no kernel exploit for that, so that's not possible until he finds one. Well, that's actually not true, because the Alibaba research department or whatever, they managed to do an untethered jailbreak on iOS 11.2.x, which means there are exploits. It's just that other people the developers have to find it. And I don't think all of these people are saying that Saurik has a jailbreak for iOS 11.2.x. I don't think that's true. It's probably just going to come out with a new one. Ben, you might want to invest into a separate mic because your laptop one is garbage at the moment. Well, I have another mic. It's upstairs. What I use for my videos. I could go upstairs and get it if you guys want. It's just that I have no idea where the other cable is.
Okay, so if you guys have any questions, then let me know, because I'm gonna head off shortly because I need to try and do a video tonight. So I'll be doing some video on some Cydia tweaks and stuff. So if you guys have any questions for me before I go, then let me know.
And then someone will super chat and keep me up till 1 in the morning again.
Yeah, I kind of was jumping off and on your stream last night, and I saw, I think I came on when someone donated like $10 or something.
Yeah, the same guy threatened to donate 100 so that I could stay up till 1 in the morning, actually wanted me to stay up till 6.
Okay.
So I was like, no, and I had to stream.
But yeah, was this the guy who's using his mum's credit card or something?
No, that was another guy. I don't even think he's on the stream. No, he isn't. Probably got offended because I put him in a timeout yesterday. So he couldn't super chat. Alternative to Watchdog Lite. I have no idea what that tweak is. Cough, Alex. Cough. Yeah, that's who he was. So guys, do you have any questions for Phil? Because he has to go in a second. He's got to record some videos for whoever watches him, which is most of you guys in here. We just said yup. Well, yeah, you can say yup, but what's the question? and then he just starts with a whole list of questions.
I think I'm right in saying that there's not really anyone else that does this kind of thing, is there? I think you have a show that you're talking about that you do each Friday, is it?
Yeah, it's Tech Talk. But we talk about random tech, basically. We don't really talk about jailbreaking in that one. You keep up and background, foreground. Oh, I don't know if there's an alternative to that tweak then.
Watchdog works on iOS 11 anyway, doesn't it?
I'm not sure. I haven't heard of it. I
think I have heard of it. I think Watchdog Lite works on iOS 11. I'm not sure. He knows my intro. See, I changed my intro recently because I wanted to make it a little bit shorter because everyone was saying it was too long and stuff. And now I've changed it, and now everyone's saying, "I'll go back to your old intro." So maybe I should.
Yeah, I just got a new intro made on Fiverr.
Oh yeah, okay, cool. How did that turn out?
It's actually really good. I'm using it for every single video now. I've gotten some good comments on it as well.
Yeah, I wanted to check out Fiverr actually because I've heard, well, PewDiePie I think did a few videos on Fiverr, which there's some cool stuff.
It's good, but it depends what you're looking for because not everything on it is good. I tried to get my logo done on Fiverr like 2 or 3 times. They were all rubbish, so I just got a refund from them.
Yeah, I think they just take like stock images and just give you that as a logo.
Yeah. You know how music artwork is free, or at least everyone says it is. Why is it that I need to be a patron? One sec, let me check if it actually is free. I don't think it is.
So I'm going to answer this question about my favorite tweak. I guess it's Log Plus Pro because that is an amazing tweak.
Eclipses as well.
Because the developer June's iPhone has just added like another 100 themes onto it. So, well, a few days ago anyway. So there's so many themes. I'm just looking at it now. There's so many themes. So I guess that's my favorite. I just like having themes on my device, really. Like, so I use the Lotus theme, and just having a theme, I really enjoy having that. And, but I guess tweak wise, it's Lot Plus Pro.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one of the main reasons I jailbreak is for themes, basically. So, back to that question too of is CC music artwork free? No, it's not. You need to support Spark, the developer, on Patreon for at least $4 a month, I think, because it's member plus. So that's the $4 tier, and it basically adds the music artwork on the music player. For those who don't know.
So, do you think when Saurik updates Cydia that these developers will kind of cancel their Patreon thing, or do you think they'll carry on doing that?
I think so. Well, right now there's a tweak. I've made a video on it. I uploaded it a few hours ago. Now you can actually make purchases within Cydia using a tweak. So I don't know, but probably they will switch back to having paid tweaks on Cydia when Saurik's jailbreak is out. Anemone doesn't work with Snapchat for me still. I'm doing an updated tutorial on that, by the way, guys.
Okay.
That should be out on the next days.
So I think this is probably a good time if I head out. So I just want to say thanks for having me on your channel. It's been good to have a chat with you and have a chat with your fans, and hopefully we'll see you on my channel soon.
Yeah, sure. If you guys want me and Phil to do another collab kind of like this, do it on his channel, get some extra viewers. But yeah, thanks again for being on here, Phil.
That's okay. It's good to be here. I'll see you soon.
See you later. Okay, guys, he's gone. So it's just me now. I think some developers will keep using Patreon because there is a tweak out there that lets you bypass paid tweaks. Bypass paid tweaks. I actually have a tweak. If you guys go and watch today's tweak of the day, there's actually a tweak on there that will basically enable purchases on Cydia. Fix your audio. Do you guys want me to end this stream right now and switch to my phone? How do you do that? What? Go and watch my latest video. Why he just left? I just got to this live stream now. Yeah, he has some videos to record now. So I'll be streaming for another, I don't know, maybe another hour. Depends if we get any dares with super chat again. Do that again. Yes, I will. We will be doing it again on his channel next time. So there's a tweak that lets you bypass themes and tweaks that are paid on Cydia. Well, no, it basically bypasses it, and you can actually purchase the themes and tweaks on Cydia now on iOS 11, and it actually works. Okay, guys, I'm going to switch to my phone, so hopefully you guys will get a notification now. So if you want me to actually, do you guys want me to switch to my phone so then it's better? You mean side down type tweak? No, basically you pay for. Okay, let me show you guys. So you don't have to go and watch the video. Basically, there's this tweak that if we look for example, let's look for Muse 3, a theme. You can actually purchase it now. So I can tap on here, and I can actually purchase the tweak in Cydia. You couldn't before. So if you guys go and watch my latest video, there's the repo and everything. It's not going against developers because the developers are actually getting paid. So that's a good thing. That's one of the major reasons why some devs using separate websites. Yeah. No, he means there's a tweak that all tweaks on Cydia are paid. What? How does that work? I can't afford tweaks, so I need side down. Don't use side down. The reason why tweaks are paid is because some developers actually make a living from that. There's a tweak that lets you, in previous versions of iOS, bypass that sort of purchases in Cydia. I don't recommend it because it hurts the devs. Yes, it does. Make Cydia buy again. I know what that is. I was talking to Mal. Oh, okay. You guys want me to switch to the phone so then the audio is better? Okay. So I do it. Super chat. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to just do it. Where is it? Yeah, it does need food too. Yes, they do. Yes, do it. Switch. Okay, guys. So I'm going to end this stream right now, and then the new one will start. So let me quickly create, or I can just start the new stream, and then you guys can have 2 different streams and mess everything up. Okay. So we'll just call it Jailbreak Q&A number 2. Okay. Let me thumbnail. He's asked you for a thumbnail, so do this. Here we go. Okay, you guys ready? Let's set the tripod up, and then in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, because I can be streaming on both. So okay, we're going live. You guys go switch to the new stream now. What's up, guys? We're live. We're live on 2 different places. Did you change your shirt halfway through? No, I removed my hoodie. Took my hoodie off. You guys can go and join the other stream now. Quickly go, and then I'll end this one. Or I can stream them both. You can have bad audio or good audio, okay? Bad or good audio, you choose. Ancora mezz'oretta, un'ora. Okay, people. Oh, that's quality audio. Okay, we've got 2 viewers on the new one. Okay, guys, leave this stream. All of you on this stream that I'm looking at right now. Leave, join the other stream. Should I make iPod Touch 6th Gen? Is it still buying? Yes, do it. Okay, we've got 12 viewers on the other one. So I'm gonna quickly jump off this one. So see you later, guys.